Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we studied this LCM of the numbers. LCM means lowest common multiples. Then today let's study here this word problems of this LCM. Word problems. This problem set 25. So, practice set 25. Second one question, solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Page number 50. See word problems one by one. First one. On the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. What must be the least number of children in that school? Solution, write this first one word problems. To find this first upon this least number of children, find the LCM of these two numbers 20 and 25. Here write these multiples of 20. Write this 20 all table. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Then multiples of 25. 25, 50, 75, 100. Then 25 as 125, 150, 175, 200, 225 and lastly 250. Then common multiples of these two numbers 20 and 25. Common multiples. Common multiples. See here which two numbers common here. 100, 100. Again 200. 100 comma 200. The lowest multiples of these two numbers is 100. Then you write here LCM is equal to 100. Then below you write in words this answer. The least number of children in that school is 100. The least number of children in that school is 100 students. Second one, see. Veena has some beads. She wants to make these necklaces with an equal number of beads in each. If she makes the necklaces of 16, 24 or 40 beads, there is no bead left over. What is the least number of beads she must have? To find this least number of beads, and we find the firstly the LCM of these three numbers 16, 24 and 40. Then you write here multiples of 16. Write this 16 table. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 38, 16 3 is 40, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64, 16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96, 16 7 is 112, 16 8 is 128, 16 9 is 144 and 16 10 is 160. Then multiples of 24. Multiples of 24. 24 table right here. 24 1 is 24, 24 2 is 48, 72, 96. Then 120, 144, 24 6 is 144. Then 24 7 is 168. 24 8 is 9s are 216 and 240. Then write here multiples of 40. Then 40 table, not coming this table, then you prepare firstly this table and write here. 41 is 40, 42 is 80, 120, 160, then 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, and this last one 400. Then common multiple see, common multiples of these three numbers 16, 24 and 14. See here 241 number is there, here also 241 number is there, but in 16 table no 240. Then you write here 240. 240 this number divisible by this 16 completely. Then you write here 240. Then you take here these common multiples of this number 240, and this LCM is equal to 240. The Veena must have how many beads? 240 beads. Third number. An equal number of ladus have been placed in three different boxes. The ladus in the first boxes were distributed among these 20 children equally. Then the ladus in the second box among 24 children, and those in the third box among 12 children. Not a single ladus was left over. Then what was the minimum number of ladus in the three boxes altogether? In first boxes here 20 children, then in second box 24, and in third box 12 children. Then firstly, to find this maximum number of ladus, find this firstly LCM of these three numbers 20, 24 and 12. To find this firstly minimum number of ladus in each box. These three numbers given here 20, 24 and 12. Then write here these multiples of 20 table, right? Multiples of 24, here already 24 this table. Then you write multiples of 12. 20 table, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Then 24 table, see this 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216 and 240. Then 12 table, right? 24, 36, 48, 12 for the 48, 12 by the 60, 12 6 the 72, 12 7 the 84, 12 8 the 96, 12 9 the 108 and 12 10 the 120. Then these common multiples of these three numbers 120, see here 120, 120 and 120. Again, which number common here? Only 120 and 240 also. In 12 divisible by this 240, then you write here here also in 20 240, here are already 240, 120 and 240, LCM is equal to 120, this lowest number. The lowest common multiple is 120. But therefore this minimum number of laddus in each box is 120 here. Minimum number of laddus in each box how many? 120. But their total number of laddus in 3 boxes, how many? In one box, how many laddus is there? 120. Then here 3 boxes. Then you write here in 3 boxes. How many laddus? Is 120 into 3. 120 into 3. Then answer is what? 360. Then below you write in words answer 360 laddus in 3 boxes altogether. 360 laddus in 3 boxes altogether. How many laddus in 3 boxes altogether? In this type of question you write answer in 360 laddus in 3 boxes altogether. In one box, how many laddus? 120, and in 3 boxes means 120 into 3 is equal to how many laddus? 360. Then again 2 questions remain. Then tomorrow we will study. Okay? In homework all of you complete this and send me this homework. Okay? Bye.